Hey guys, we're gonna review Strokes Beauty new products. This is their Brow Artist Collection. So, available na lahat na ito sa stores and online na i-review natin for today. So, first up, we're going to try the trending brow fixer ng Strokes Beauty. So, clear brow gel muna tayo. Then, okay. I like the formula of this one. It's similar dun sa it can be used as an everyday brow gel. It remembers me from the formula of Lucky Beauty na kanilang brow. Here are the swatches. So this is ash gray, this ash gray, then this is deep brown, this is deep brown, this is soft brown, and this is warm brown. So here are all the swatches of their brow sculptor. So let's put this pencil here. This is perfect for, you know what I mean? This is perfect for microbladed brows. With this tip na madali siyang gamitin. In Microblend Perfector, this is bauxite, graphite, and bronzite. So, what shade I'm going to use? So, let's use the shade bauxite. Okay. This one is a good brow pen, and ayaw ni Jelly Eugenio na sobrang tinted, but this one, it gives me a definition of giving me a perfect brows with this one. So, this is our brow color list. So, ito yung tinted brows nila. So, it has 4 shades. This is golden brown. Parang, let's try. Not good for me, okay? This is not good for me. This is golden brown. This is neutral brown. This is coal black and chestnut brown. Hindi siya pwede sa akin kasi hindi bagay sa akin, tsaka hindi pang magaling lang yung pang expert na kilay lang yung pwedeng gumamit. So here are all the shades of the brow shaper. So taupe, auburn, chocolate, and caramel. So I'm going to use chocolate. So in this brow shaper, meron siyang applicator. So let's use this to give me a perfect brow. Ay. Guys, actually, ito yung favorite release ko from Strokes. This is an easy to use product. Wow. Super wow. We have the Brow Definer palette. This is the swatches of the shade Savage, Charcoal Gray, Ash Brown, Honey Brown, and Platinum Gray. So it has 4. So it has 4 highlights and 3 shades for brow shaping. So this is in the shade Foxy. This is dark brown, natural brown, brick brown, and rose glaze. I think I'm gonna use the shade Foxy. So ito yung brown talaga. So we're gonna use the brush. Okay. In fairness, this one isn't easy to use. Easy to use tong palette na ito. If you are a beginner, this could help a brow palette for you. This could help. This is what I love. I like the brow shaper, and also I love the brow definer. Among my favorite from the brow collection, these are my top 3 faves. I like this ever since. So this is the brow fixer. Ito yung kanilang clear brow gel if you are in a tamad days. Well, this brow gel is perfect for you. I like this kind of formula because it's more on an everyday use. Kaya gusto ko yung mga ganitong brow gel na everyday na pwedeng gamitin pag meron ka ng product on your brows. Also, this is a cream of a top. The brow shaper, thumbs up ako dito kasi easy to use siya. Pag ganito yung kilay mo makapal, easy to use siya. And my shade there is taupe. Chocolate. And then lastly, this Brow Definer palette. This one is a must try. Especially this Foxy if you want more on the brown and focus shades as it. So that's it for my review for the Brow Artist Collection of Strokes Beauty.